everyone, good morning. Muriel here in the craft room. Very early in the morning. I wanted to kind of get my hauls out the way. I did a project yesterday I wanted to share with you, and then my Hobby Lobby opened up, so we ran over there and scored some home decor stuff and a few other things I want to share with you. But first I want to share with you this card kit that I worked on yesterday. I picked this up at Tuesday morning last week. And it looked to me like the My Mind's Eye. It is by My Mind's Eye. The One Fine Day collection. The teal blues, the yellows. And basically, it's just like all card kits where they give you everything and you put it together according to the instructions. So I just whipped up these quick cards. And you get 2 of each. So you have to punch out the chipboard pieces and then put the flowers on. And then you make this paper clip just with a little pink paper flower, and I thought it was really cool. It also gave me some inspiration as to other cards to make using this same type of pattern. So, and it does say here My Mind's Eye, which I will kindly relabel it and put my signature on it. And then there's this card, which I loved how it opens like this. So there was no extra paper to do the inside, and I really like to decorate the inside of my card. So that's why I'm going to use some stickers from the My Mind's Eye One Fine Day, or it's the Hello. One of those collection has this same color scheme. But this is a great idea too for a card. It just has this flap. It just crosses over the bottom about a 1/4 inch. And then it says enjoy, and it has these 2 flowers here. Very, very cute. So there were 2 of those to make. And then this one was really pretty, bright, bright yellow. It just gave you this pink sheet that you cut in half. And then it gave you this fishtail banner. It provided you with the string, which I happen to love. It's a really nice quality twine. And then you put all these flowers on here, and this came as one piece. But very, very cute. And that one says celebrate. And then this one here is, again, some more twine. It gave you this rosette that you had to put together. It was already scored, so I just folded it and put it together. And then layered the flowers on top with the stickers that says just for you. So very, very cute. And they gave you, which I don't understand, but they gave you 1 envelope. So, which I will use for something else because I like to make my envelopes. So that was the card kit that I did, which I really, really like. And then my Coco and Reno die came in. And this month's theme is all about photos. So you get this really huge, like a Polaroid die. And it has a back on it, right? So the photo can stand up, which I thought was pretty cool. And then you get this speech bubble. There is a camera die there. You get these 2 smaller Polaroids. This one says smile, and that one just has a heart in it. And then you get 2 word dies that says say cheese, and that one says smile. So that was pretty fun. I think I'm going to use this Polaroid die as a different purpose. I'm going to see how when I cut it out. And I love this long because this could be made into a tag. It's such a long, sturdy cardstock base. And then, excuse me, lastly, my haul I did at KGCRAFTS. I did another one. I love her online store. I will definitely link it down below. I know in the past I haven't, and people have asked that are not familiar with it to leave it in the comments. So, sorry, I will do that. But here is her little card here, KGCRAFTS. Really cute. So I just got a Maggie Home sticker sheet, right? I probably have 10 of these. I'm not sure, but I got that one. I picked up these resin pieces. This is by the Rosie's Splendid collection. Those are really pretty. These are resin trinkets. There's 20 of them. And then I got Sweet Story had a sticker book, which I know I did not have. So these are really pretty. So there's some labels. There's some blackened flowers. The animals, the rainbows, some more florals, ladybugs, bees, and butterflies. Then there are some letters, and then some cute frames, and some cute stars. And then what I love most are the word stickers. Okay, there you go there. I got 2 packs of the tassels. Really, really cool. I love how they used it there. And I love the colors. And then I got a few more of the acetate sheet. This is the stars. Gold on acetate. All right, let's see that. Let's see here. There we go. So it looks like that. And this one is gold dots. And then this one is so fun. It's like colorful balls. This is a Maggie Holmes glitter on acetate. So pretty. And then from the Heritage Collection, I just got a pack of these foil on card stick. They're like banners. They're like, this one says first place, you are wonderful. So definitely these will be cut out. So that was my haul from KG Crafts. And then I will come back and share with you guys my Hobby Lobby. I was so excited. It was so good to walk in Hobby Lobby. Again, all the Easter stuff is 90%. And many of the home decor is 50%. And then the clearance of home decor is 90%. So I really did well. I did what I'll show you, all was under $100. So, okay, until my next video, you guys take care. Bye now.